So we do all of that and allow the customer to focus on the operational data. So it's kind of like, here's everything you need to get the full model health of your stuff at this super low cost point. And I know we're a lot cheaper than everyone else. So we're providing all of that really low cost, lifetime limited warranty on devices. So batteries last 2 years. We send you new batteries when they're dying. You break a sensor because they're in these rugged environments. Here's a new sensor. You just pay for the data. So this is going to be an overview on all the different sensor types. This is not all of them, but it's the most common ones, the ones we see the most. These are also used for facilities maintenance, so it's not only manufacturing, but like some of the biggest customers in the world are the smart cities of Dubai and like really big commercial real estate applications. So some of them don't apply to manufacturing, but Urban.io basically pumps out a new sensor every quarter, every 6 months, just depending on demand. So if you're part of a facility where you're like, I would kill if we had this type of sensor, if there's enough justification for us to make it, we'll make a new one for you. So IP67, industrial rated, they're ruggedized, waterproof, dustproof. 2-year battery life, that is sensing at a 10-minute interval. So every 10 minutes, it takes a sample. Some sensors, which we'll go over, are always listening, and they're listening for like an alarm. So if you had a relay output, thing's always listening. As soon as it sees the alarm, it's going to send a text or an email to you. But for the most part, in the out-of-the-box default configuration, it's a 10-minute heartbeat where it takes a sample, and you trend that data over time. Yes, we can speed that up. Yes, we could slow it down. All just comes back to battery life, how long you want that battery to last.